Ang sarap ng pagkaing Pilipino. Delicious Philippine foods. They are now in this beautiful cookbook written by Juanita Gutierrez in tribute to her beloved mother, Mrs. Teodora de Guzman Gutierrez, in her kitchen back in the Philippines when we were growing up. All her secret recipes and tips and way of cooking is now lovely Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her beloved daughter Juanita Gutierrez. All my mom's secret tips and really excellent way of her cooking that everybody in the family craved for are now in this delightful cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her beloved daughter Juanita Gutierrez. Oh, the joy of cooking. Delicious, yummy food. Enjoy. Let us cook. Happy cooking and dining.